Welcome back, broskies and sisters, of course, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny content, we chill, trying to have a nice time, and just be on some positive vibe. But if this is not your first time, though, welcome back, gang. Thank you for rocking with me. And let's check out this compilation video that I made. This is the part 2 of the 20 versus 1 rapper. The previous one was funny. I really enjoyed that one, so let's check out this one. I hope this will have the same energy.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, I'm Leah.
How old you?
20.
Right.
Right.
Oh, that was quick. Okay, cool.
Hey,
What's up? What's your name?
Dottie.
How old you?
20.
Right.
You like her? She staying? What you liked about her? Oh, we can't speak on that one? We can't speak on that one.
Yeah, nah. Hey, how you doing?
Wait, isn't that the guy who made this song? I don't even know the song. I think it's like the crash. Who's like the crash out wave guy? Who is making that wave like big? The crash out, like just yelling, screaming on the song, screeching on the song. Like he blew up on TikTok though. But is that him?
Hey,
What's your name?
Maddie.
He gives me legit anxiety, bro. I won't even lie. Like whenever I see him on my For You page, just doing his music thing, bro, I get anxious as fuck. I won't lie.
You gonna keep her or she gotta go? Or left? Oh, left. You gotta go. Why you ain't like her? What was wrong with her?
I really don't. How you doing? Why you
How you
leaning?
doing?
Stay
Leaning?
still.
Girl, that's my video.
It's not your video.
It's
It's
in
Corey's
my
video.
video.
But anyways, what's your name?
Left,
Yeah.
yeah, left. Don't come with that energy, bro. Left,
Why she had to go left?
bro.
Yeah.
Left. She was being disrespectful, bro.
Hi, I'm Drea. You can call me Dream.
Say your name one more time.
Drea, but you can call me Dream.
Dream.
Rhea. What's your real name?
Drea.
You wanna give him a 360 drill?
You just want to see something. He didn't even have to ask.
Right.
Crazy. Yeah. Tap shit.
You ain't gotta say too much, huh?
For all the reasons.
For all the reasons, okay, cool.
It probably won't even be the reason that you think.
What's up? It's
Then
Savvy.
your real eyes
Yeah.
is a real.
Yeah.
Let me get this.
What you gonna do, right?
She looked like she ride on
Just
horses.
cause your eyes ain't gonna lie, the eyes
And she
just
do like the
say
sport,
Nah,
like
say
the
it.
horse race sport.
Exotic. Just one time.
Looking exotic.
What's up?
What's up? Hey, Jay. Hey, Jay, bro. Hold on, bro. Hey, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Hi, how you doing? What's your
How
name?
you doing? My name is Sassy. What's your name?
My name KJ.
That's your
Like, my
name?
name really BK.
BK.
Hey,
That
yeah.
like what your partner call you?
Hey, yeah, but my
what-
name really KJ, though.
That's your real name?
Hey,
What's
yeah.
your last name?
I can't tell you that. Yeah.
She can't ask too many questions.
Ooh, is there too many going on there? I ain't really the freaking type person.
No.
Yeah, freaking did lost me. Too much going on there. Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
What's your name one more time?
Big Shay, not the little.
Not the what?
Not the little.
One more time.
Big Shay, not the little.
Ooh, yeah.
Left. Why left?
Cause it just, I ain't gonna lie, you just got too much going on today. You probably just can't lie. You really pretty though, I ain't gonna lie. You pretty. You just got a lot going on today. It's just like too much going, like it cold. You don't even it cold, like.
But you said she pretty.
Okay, bro. I think this is the guy that I was talking about, bro. I don't know. He said KJ, right? Let me see. It might be the guy that I was KJ or BK. I don't even know, bro, what he said. KJ. KJ the show him is something else. Wait, KJ the rapper. Let me see. KJ the rapper. Oh yeah, KJ the rapper. Be like that. That's not KJ. Click up. Is that him? or BJ. But I don't know. It might be him though. BJ the rapper. Let me try BJ the rapper, bro. Nah, that ain't him. He ain't neither KJ or BJ. I don't know. But I think just like how he sounds, bro, and how he's even screeching while talking, I think it might just be him. And now I understand why he made the kind of music that he does.
In the face, you might as well keep her.
But it's just
Bro can't
right.
even.
I'm just go right.
She right, all right. She right, cool.
Tomorrow, just ain't
Cover
it
up.
cold for the rest of the year. You ain't
Bro
even
can't even say a sentence, bro. What the hell is bro talking about, man? He can't even say flipping sentence, man.
supposed to be dressing like that. Ain't even no reason for it to be dressing like that.
Hey, see, V, I'm not American, bro. I'm Nigerian, bro. I'm proper Nigerian, and I don't even live in America. Excuse me, never been there. Don't even know if I want to go there because I'm scared they might shoot my black ass. I'm just playing, but nah, for real though. I know there are just like some hood, that's like some hood folks who sound like this, bro. But like, but like, bro, just like say something, bro. I can't. It's so funny to me, bro. I know DC sound like DC Young Fly, but you can at least understand what DC be saying. But like, bro, yeah, I ain't even. All right, man, let's go with the
Can't out
video.
here like that.
It's too cold outside for that.
Cold outside.
Cold outside for that.
man. Old man ain't paying shit.
Man, I ain't wearing that pant, man. It's too cold outside for that shit. You feel me? It's too cold for.
Yeah, first little one.
Done.
Hey, how you doing?
What is she wearing?
What's your name?
Nee,
Yes, it's showing.
What's your real name?
Nehemiah.
Nia what?
Nehemiah.
I like her accent. Bro, her ass is legit showing, bro. Bro? Damn. Her ass is legit showing, bro.
But I got somebody for you though,
No.
gang. I got somebody for you though, gang. I got somebody for you though, gang. Oh, no. Oh, you a freak, gang. I ain't going.
It's room.
Damn.
Hello.
What up, though?
Hey,
Brittany.
Waka
How are
Flocka.
you?
I am.
Now we got some matured person in the video. Let's see how Walker handles these Gen Zs.
How old are you?
33.
Oh, you got the Jesus age.
Wow. Wow. Yo, bro said you at the Jesus age. That's crazy, Walker. Damn. I thought, hey, first of all, it's a good thing they didn't bring no 21, 22 years old close to bro, because I was like, that would have been super weird. So I like that, like they brought like real matured woman, in this. So yeah, but damn, bro.
Hello.
What up, though?
I'm Brittany.
She's
How are you?
what?
I am.
How old are you?
33.
Oh, you got the Jesus age.
How old are you?
You just might be a blessing. Go to the right. I'm 37.
Okay.
Nah, she look good for. I mean, black don't crack anyways. Like I don't even need to. Like black don't crack. Like
Hey, I'm Diamond.
so.
I just feel like I should just give you a pound. Like, you just probably cool as fuck. Though.
I am.
You a friend, though, right?
Yeah.
But
So, right, left.
I don't know which way you want to go.
It's up to you.
I just asked
tell
you,
me.
though.
You tell me.
You got to go to the left then.
Damn,
How you doing?
he give you a
How's
choice.
it going?
I'm all right.
How was your day?
My day is beautiful.
That's good. My name's Adacia.
Dacia?
Adacia.
Dacia?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Texas, but like born, raised in Atlanta.
That's nice. How old are you?
I'm 28.
All right, that's cool.
Do I look younger than 28?
Now you go to the right.
To the right?
Gang.
What's up?
Them motherfuckers is huge. I know. But I'm gonna go to the next video.
How you feel about fucking?
Huh? wait, what? He said those motherfuckers is huge. Rightly so. And this one just came in crashing out. Wait.
What's up?
Them motherfuckers is huge.
And she touched it. Damn.
How you feel about fucking on the first night?
That's some grown people shit right there.
Oh, okay. I'm grown.
You grown?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I thought I got waved at you. You ain't waved back.
I didn't know you was waving at me.
How you feeling? Stay.
All right.
Riz, yeah, you know how that shit go. If you don't like it, then yeah, you can hit the door.
Ain't nothing wrong with you, but I'm gonna sing to the left. I mean, I'm gonna
Get to the
try
next
one,
one.
yeah.
Okay.
If you would have did anything besides rapping, what would you have done?
I was been playing basketball.
So no.
Where you from?
Atlanta.
Definitely from.
What's the most you ever spent on a girl?
I don't know the number.
Give me an estimate or something.
Probably like 50,000.
50,000? Okay. I'ma stay.
Oh, she got to pick if she stay or not?
Yes or no?
That's easy.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yes or no? You ain't with her? Hell nah. Introducing the first lady. Let's get into it.
Hey, I'm Lex.
What's Alexis?
Alexis, but I go by Lex. You can call me Lexi though.
I'm gonna call you Chocolate. Come on.
That's a yes?
Yes.
Oh, he feeling you.
I'm gonna with you in a minute.
You gonna be back?
Hi, I'm Whitney.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Why so quick?
No, why so quick?
Cause she toxic. Look, she trying to argue with me right now. The way she walked up on me, I could look at her. Damn, I'm trying to have a conversation. Now you just okay.
You said I'm toxic, so I love it.
My name is Baby.
Your name Barry?
That's my artist name.
Your artist name. So, what type of berry?
Strawberry.
I ain't gonna lie, I'ma pass. Cause you need to go get them feet done, baby.
I can't right now.
Why not?
Because the toenail, like, lady, she messed up my foot.
Which one? Both of them?
Yeah.
Let me put that on you. I want you to go get them done. They could do something. I'ma pass. I'ma pass. But go ahead. Okay. All right.
Let me get some money. Shit. What happened?
I'm a nice guy, bro. We ain't gotta talk about that.
But hey, most of them that came to the video and even got yes, they would walk out with no money, but like she walked out with something, bro. It's a win-win.
Why you walking like that?
Tell me how I walk.
You gotta do it again.
She gonna do it again.
I don't know. It's you too bubbly. I like your energy, but you too bubbly on the walk up. It feel like a setup. I'ma pass. I appreciate you though.
Bro got PTSD.
You missing out or something?
I f with that.
Hello, I'm Arabian.
Like you from Arabia?
No, that's my name.
How you feel?
I'm just looking at her.
Give my boy a 360.
It's backed up. Come on. I need different flavors. You don't never want the same flavor. You gotta mix it up.
And now, see, I won't even lie, bro. Sorry, I had to pause the video, but I need to say something, bro. You know, before she spun around, or now, while she was spinning around, rather, there was a sound. It was like an enchantment sound, bro. I won't lie. Wait.
Give my boy a 360.
Here it is.
It's backed up. Come on. I need different flavors. You don't never want the same flavor. You gotta mix it up.
You got a type?
Nah,
no type?
I like what I like.
You like what you like?
I like what I like when I like it.
Type shit.
I'm 21.
I'm at with you on the back end. You a baby. You know what I'm saying?
That's a no?
Yeah, Elia, shit, baby.
My name is Honesty.
Honesty. That's your real name?
Wouldn't give you a fake name.
You told me a lie already. Okay.
That's my name.
All right.
Honestly, she probably got a Nigerian parent, bro. Why would they call you Honesty? Only Nigerians do that. She probably got a Nigerian parent.
Okay, that's my name.
Nice to meet you. I'm 23. From Ohio. I just moved here.
That what's up. I was born in Ohio too.
Where?
Cleveland.
You from?
Yeah.
Columbus. I don't know nothing about Cleveland.
That's why I'm a pass. You from Ohio, you don't know nothing about the land. I f with you though. I like the shoes.
How you doing?
What's up? I'm gonna take you cause the braids, you know what I'm saying? She could come, the braids and the Jordans, she gonna be fun. I should've kept the girl with the funny walk. Matter of fact, this is gonna be the first time this ever happened. The one with the walk, with the bubbly walk, bring her back here and tell her she can stay.
Get a redemption, she just gotta do it.
She can stage it cause I like her vibe, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good for what we got going on. Come on, run her.
What's up?
What's up?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm cool.
I'm Sav. I'm 24.
Yeah.
I'm a Demus. I clearly know what you do.
Nah, them are
What
not
was you
real.
thinking?
Then it's too hot outside for you to have them boots on.
It is hot.
I'ma pass.
Okay, thank you. Hi, I'm 7. I'm from Florida, and I'm Jamaican and British.
I like everything but the boots.
You know, I was contemplating because I didn't know if I was going to do slides or boots, but I felt like they were different, so.
You said you was what?
I felt they was different.
Nah, with them, just not with the dress.
I'm so nervous.
What you nervous about?
I don't know. This is my first time listening to this.
For sure, me too.
Really?
I'm nervous than a bitch. As my partner, you know, I wanted to come with him. He didn't tell me what I was gonna be doing. He just walked me in here. And then he like, it's just gonna be a lot of girls and you gotta say yes or no, you know what I'm saying? I'm like,
So y'all both nervous.
hold on, bro, we talking. I'm like, I'm not even that type of guy, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know.
But we're here.
Right, but I'ma pass because them boots is just, yeah. So, with you though, Seth.
Hey, at least I had the real conversation, man. People don't do that these days.
Oh, you so young, man.
No, that's what people always say. If you see my grandma, you would say the same thing. 24. I'll be 25 January 23rd. Come on, that's like.
Shit, Quay talk to the infamous.
Don't do that.
No, for real.
Cause I'm on that shit. So don't.
What you call on that shit?
On that shit, buy my money, stand on business, don't bend around it.
But what do that mean in a relationship?
In a relationship, you teach me what the to do, and then that's how we go.
I asked you the question. You told me I asked you what could you do before stand on business and be about money.
Whatever you tell me to do, that's it, that's all.
I'm not a pimp.
Say less.
Left and you young.
How you doing?
What's up?
What's up?
I don't know, tell me. I ain't shit. How you gonna make me better?
Well, first of all, it starts with good energy, making you.
Are you philosophical? You
I don't know if I call it that. I mean, I do know a little mythological.
And shit like that?
Not too much, no, but I am spiritual. Like,
what?
I do
like
believe.
Magic and shit like.
No, I believe in things like, you know, if you speak good things will happen, manifesting, stuff like that. So
Yeah.
I would be just someone positive, like
Ain't
encouraging
nothing
you.
positive
You could think that, but there's still always some positive.
All right, how we gonna start?
You could take me somewhere and we could
Yeah,
get to
no.
know each other. All right, that's cool.
Yeah, he said, hell nah. Hey, bro, that's crazy. He said, hell nah. As soon as she mentioned you could take me out somewhere, bro, I said, hell nah. That's crazy, bro. It don't even have to be like go grab something to eat type shit. It could just be like some little activity. You could like spend time talking, chatting before you know, like you won't even know you've spent 2 flipping hours, 3 hours together if the energy is just right and the chemistry is just like, you know, like on 100, and you guys just be vibing, flowing before you know it, bro. You don't spend hours together, you don't even know. It be like that sometimes. But hey, man, thank you again for checking out this video. I hope y'all come back tomorrow or whenever I post a new video and come up with the channel. Hit the subscribe button and I think hit the notification bell so you don't have to do all that, bro, really, because to be honest, when I used to watch YouTube videos, I used to hate people when they say that. But nah, you can just subscribe to the channel, bro, and whenever you feel like, come check out the videos and see you on the next one. We out.